Hello, this is Mike Centralizing, founder of Cornerable Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up IIS log files to a central location while also deleting old log files that are no longer needed. To accomplish this task, we must create and assign a new text log backup template. Select File, New, expand Template, expand Log Management, select Log Backup. From the New Template view, find the Subtype dropdown, then select Text Log. From the General tab, specify a friendly name such as Backup IIS Log Files. Since IIS generates a log per day by default, the default schedule of daily is appropriate. Select the Logs tab, then navigate to the latest log file. Once selected, modify the search criteria to specify the current date. If I click the test button, we can see the current file. Click the plus button to add the search criteria. Next, click the Options tab. Use the File Name text box to specify the central location to save the log files. Notice the use of the tags host, log, date, and time. Since IIS log files have the date embedded in the file name, there is no need to use the date and time tags. If I change the output to d:\weblogs backup host then log, a directory will be created for each host I assign this template to. The log tag tells the software to back up the IIS log file with the same file name. If I choose to compress to zip, the IIS log file is compressed to the same file name but with the zip extension in place of the log extension. If you like, you have the option to encrypt and digitally sign the files. Next, we have the option to delete the file that was backed up. I want to leave 15 days of logs on the server, so I'm going to leave this option off. Next, I would like to only leave 15 days of log entries on the web server, so I'm going to check the delete files in the source directory option, then set the number to 15. Next, I'm going to choose to only retain 90 days of logs in the central location, so I'm going to check the delete files in the destination directory option, then set the number to 90 days. Finally, I need to tell the software to back up the previous day's log rather than the current log because it is still being populated with current events. To do this, I need to check the backup yesterday's file or path option. Once I've completed the configuration, I must still assign each server which I would like to back up the IIS logs from. Since I only selected a file from my local host, we can see the local host is already assigned in the assigned host list. Use the host dropdown to assign other servers. Click Close and save your changes. Next, I want to show you this in action, so I'm going to manually execute this template on my local host. From the Explorer view, navigate to the target host, expand, find the new template, right-click, and select Execute Verbose. The host template status view displays and we can see the results. Once complete, we can see many old log files were deleted from the source server. Once this template runs for more than 90 days, old files will be deleted from the central IIS log repository. If I open Windows Explorer, we can see the backed up file compressed in zip format. That's IIS Log Management with Corner Bowl Log Manager 2021.